Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that are having trouble with Streamlabs on their Mac. You deleted the app, you reinstalled the app, you restarted your machine and still nothing. It's hung up on the loop of like starting, but it's not starting. You can't see your splash screens of your video layout / setup. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. Again, this is on the Mac, probably on the PC too. You want to delete this particular folder. Hopefully there's one on there. So we're gonna go to Go. See where we, and then click on the Option key. See, Option, then you have Library, no Library. The Option key does that. And click on Library and go to the top, depending on how it loads, and you're gonna click here. See Application Support, okay? And then right here, slobs.client, delete it. And then see where we're in Application Support. So remove that, and then we're gonna go back and then go to Preferences. Everything's in alphabetical order. And then we're going to scroll down because it's all the way down here. And we're going to click on, see right there, com.streamlabs, well, Streamlabs, yeah, slobs client. Get rid of the slobs client because it's slobbing things up. Anyway, that's pretty much it. We make these videos so you don't have to, and you'll be rowing your boat gently down your stream and back up and running again. This has been happening forever. And now with the new updates, you simply can't just delete the app, reboot your machine, and you're back in business. That doesn't work anymore. Hopefully this is a solution that will work moving forward for whichever OS you're using. And that is pretty much it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time.